Assalamu alaikum. My name is Esma, and I'm your librarian at Rabdan Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and search library databases. So, if you need to do your assignment and you need to search for resources, what you need to do is you go to the library website, which is this one here, elibrary.ra.ac.ae, and you will see this page in front of you. Now, how do I reach databases, or how can I search? Here you have those two choices. You have the book catalog and you have all resources. Now, the book catalog is only for books that are in print version and they are available in the library. This is when you go back to the campus. But now, because you are doing your assignments virtually online, you need to find e-resources like articles from e-journals, you have e-books, or any other type of e-resource. You can do a search in all resources. It's by default, when you see it highlighted in blue, it's by default here. What you can do is type the word you want to search for, let's say Homeland Security, and we click on search. And this is how you will log in into the system. The first time you do the search, once you click on the button search, you will get this page to log in once. So this is your organizational account. Please type in this format, Rabdan Academy / and your ID number or your name if you're staff or faculty. And then you just use your password, which the one you use when you log in normally. So this is what my username and password, and I'm going to sign in. It will direct me to the research results that I did. The all resources search will get you results from all the databases that we have, all the subscriptions we have. Whatever we have subscribed to, you will get a notification from. It's not just one database. It's not for searching a specific database. That's why you will get many results when you search all resources, because it's going to search everything that we have. So these are the results, and as you can see here, this is the total number of results, which is 693,759 results. And you can see that you will find books, you will find videos here, you will find ebooks, you will find articles from periodicals, you will find many types of resources. If you want to know exactly how many resources do we have in each type, you see on the side of the screen, this says source types, and this is the number of the resources we have under each and every one of those. So if you're looking for an ebook, you have 90,631 ebook about Homeland Security. It's the keyword that I typed. And you have journal articles, you have articles from magazines, you have trade publications, you have news about Homeland Security. And when I clicked on show more, it will open another page and it will give me exactly how many resources do we have under each category. You can choose whatever you like, even maps and videos, and all these can be cited. This is one of the advantages of searching databases and searching for information from our subscribed databases. You will get academic articles, which they are reliable, and you can rely on the information inside these. Here you can find true videos that are not fake, because if you go to social media, you might find the same video, but people might cut some parts of the video to send a specific message, or they play around with these videos and they might not be as good as the real ones. So we have to avoid fake information, wrong information, fake news, and we have to search for academic and reliable information. And of course, here you have more filters that you can choose from. You can choose a subject, a publisher, you can choose a language. You have our search results consist of other languages. So in each language, you will find the number of articles we have. We have in Turkish, Portuguese, French, German, Spanish, and if I click on show more, it will show me more languages that we have. And you might also find Arabic. Some of the keywords, sometimes when you search, you might find Arabic. Here you have 15 Arabic resources that are related to Homeland Security. And you can choose here the period of time. You want the latest, you want the last 6 months, you want the last 2 years. Depends on what you want. And here you can choose exactly what subject you are looking for. You can choose a discipline. You can do your search in political science. You can do your search in military and history science. You can do search in any kind of subject that you are interested in. So this is how we look for articles in databases. This is when we go and search all references that we have. Now, if I go back here and I click on databases, now here you can search in a specific database. Like if you are searching for criminal justice articles, you can go directly to the criminal justice abstract. If I want to search for ebooks, here we have two databases that have ebooks. eBook Academic Collection from EBSCO, and we have the ProQuest eBook Central. Those two databases are specifically related to ebooks. So if I click on this one, and if you see the screen, just scroll down and click on institutional login. And just because you already logged in before, so it will take you directly to the database. And here I can say search for Homeland Security. And the database will give you suggestions for other topics that you might be interested in. So, are you looking for Homeland Security and terrorism? If you are looking for Homeland Security Act or Affairs or Department, or any other kind of subject that is related to Homeland Security, And let's say I'm going to choose this one as in general, and it's doing the search now. Let's see the results. All the results will be in ebooks. Here you will find ebooks, ebooks, ebooks. And if you look at the source type here, you will not find the same resources that we had in searching all databases. In all databases, you found here listing many other resources, but here it's specifically choosing the ebooks. And again, you can see some videos also, but mainly it's ebooks. So you can choose any kind of ebook that you like. Let's say I'll choose Fundamentals of Homeland Security. I can click on this link and go directly to the book, or I can just click on this magnifier just to check the abstract. What is it about? What does this ebook talk about? What are the subjects here that is in this book? I might change my mind and I say, no, I don't need it. And it might be, okay, good, I want this one. So let's go and click on one of the books and see how we can use that ebook. So this is how it looks like. You can go and click on PDF. You can go and read more about this. We can see the subjects. We can go and see relevant pages from this ebook. You can see page number 25. It's talking about, this is a brief description of what this page is talking about. And here you can see the table of contents. So if I need or I'm writing something about risk analysis, I go directly and click on this chapter. I don't have to go and click on the full book, and I waste my time in scrolling down. I can go here directly, or if I want to see what is the basic operational process in this book or in Homeland Security, I can go and click and it will take me directly to this chapter. So let's say I'll check this basic operational process, and I want to see what does this chapter have and how does the ebook look like for me. It's easy to use. You can cite this chapter, you can cite the whole book, and I will show you how. Now, this is the chapter. It started from page 71, and it took me directly to chapter 3. You can see on the side, if you want to check which chapter, maybe you want to go to chapter 5 or chapter 4, or you want to go to the summary, or you want to read about the introduction. It depends on your preference. It's very easy to use. You can use a dictionary here to look